Cloud reflection. First, we'll duplicate the cloud layer. Click on the layer and drag it down to the plus icon. And we'll rename it Cloud Reflection. Next, we'll move it above the floor layer and then flip it by going to Edit, Transform, and Flip Vertical. Now let's move it so it's in the place it needs to be to make it an actual reflection. So just drag it down until you get to the horizon line there. And then so that we can see some of the floor through the cloud reflection, let's change the opacity. Click on this little drop-down arrow and a slider will appear. Move the slider over until you get to about 30%. And you'll notice that the image is changing as you're doing that. So you can judge if that's a good amount of opacity or not. Next, we're going to change the blending mode from normal to hard light. We'll talk about blending modes later, but for right now, just know that the different blending modes allow pixels on one layer to affect the pixels on the layer below them in different ways. With those two layers good to go, let's make sure that they don't accidentally move around. To select the cloud reflection and the cloud layer, hold down the Command or the Control key and click on the either one. And then let's click this button here to lock the position.